I'm going to show you how to modify this template in Photoshop. It's a versatile, easy to use template once you figure it out. So I'm going to show you how to take your image and put it into the template, and then I'm going to show you how to change the color and then change the text. So first you start with going to your image that you have open and ready to go in, and I'm going to Command A to select all and Command C to copy this image. And then I'm going to go back over here, and with my move tool, I'm going to select the layer that I want. And as you can see down here, it selected this sample image. So I want it to go right on top of that. Underneath here, you can see where it says image here. So I'll click on that layer, and I'm going to Command V to paste my new picture in. I'm going to go over here to this sample image, and I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to resize my image with Command T and holding my Shift and Option on the Mac. I'm going to resize it. Go bigger, smaller, zoom in, zoom out, whatever you want to do. And so there I've got that where I want it. And so I'm going to next change the color. So I just need to double click this layer right here, and I'm going to click anywhere in her jersey to start out with, just to kind of find a color that I like. And that looks pretty good to me, but you can do anything you want there. I'm going to go ahead and click the blue, and while I'm here, I'm going to Command C to copy that color right there and click OK. And then I'm going to double click on the other color box, color layer, and Command V to paste that color in there. Now you could do here also, you could do anything you want. I'm going to go just a little bit darker on that just to add a little more dimension. So clicking OK, and you're done with the color. Looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and change her number to the 11 using I'm going to hit T for the text tool and just change that. Done. And then I'm going to change her name here to Emily. And I'm going to go with Thompson. Oops, it's too big. Okay, so what I'm going to do about that is I'm going to double click just so that the Thompson is selected, and I'm going to go ahead and go up here, and you can just move that down until it fits, because you have all different sizes of names. So it's all give and take on the name. So I'm going to commit that, and I'm going to go over here to the move tool, and I'm just going to move that all over just a little bit. So it just kind of fits there in the middle. So there you go. You've got that. I'm going to go ahead and probably should have done this first, because once you get the background done, then you can just add your images and change your name and numbers down there. But anyway, going to that, I'm going to change this back here, and you have in this folder right here under team name, you click this arrow to collapse the folder down, and these are all the layers that make up this layer, this background right here. So I'm going to, all I have to do is double click right here, and it opens up in a new window. So I'm going to, again, with my T text tool, I'm just going to highlight the whole thing, and I'm going to change it to Blue Jays. That works right there. Okay, let's say it fits in the box, so that's going to work out just fine. But what if I wanted to do like a Blue Jay? I wanted it to say Blue Jay basketball. Oops, it's too long. Okay, so what I want to do is, again, double click, but I want to, okay, I have this highlighted, and I'm going to shift and click to highlight the other word in that case, and I'm just going to go here again and just squeeze it in until it fits. And I want it works out really good if you just fit it into the box. Okay, and then click commit. Once you're done, you're satisfied with what's in the box, what you want it to say over and over in the background, then you just click the X, and you definitely want to save. And then it's going to save your changes back into this file. There you can see it says Blue Jay Basketball. So that is working perfectly. Same thing on the year. I'm going to collapse that down, and then I'm going to go to the year folder. Just double click this top layer, double click, and let's say you want it to be 2022. Just click to commit that change, close it out, save it, and there it is. All done. So the last thing you want to do is definitely crop this to whatever size you want. It is a 16 by 24 file. That's very important to note. I want it to be a 2 by 3 foot banner. So I'm going to go 24 by 36 inches, and I'm going to squeeze it down. I'm using the option to keep that. There it is right there. And so just double click or commit to that change. Let me just fix that just a little bit. Oops. I'm just nudging on my keyboard to get that top to not peek through. And I'm going to click commit. So that is that. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out. Let me know. I'm happy to help. Thank you.